Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone, she has some pretty long mid-back length hair, and the stylist chops it right off into a bob. Gorgeous. I love the way that the color looks with this cut, and she does have some bangs in the front. Next up, we have someone with mid-length back hair. Stylist does another beautiful bob. Look at the body and the movement on this. Beautiful curtain bangs going there in the front. And her hair is just so thick and full. So here we have another bob haircut transformation. The stylist did a perm for this one, so she has a little bit of a wave to her hair. Nice way to thicken up the strands. Bam! Another beautiful bob. This one ends right around the shoulder length, and she's got the blunt ends. So we have another bob for the next haircut transformation. She has more of that 90s volumized bob aesthetic for this one. This is very popular. Definitely having a movement. So here we have someone 7 days before haircut. So she was just counting down. And bam, cute little pixie style. Watch me chop off all my hair. All right, so she got a bob. So here we have yet another bob haircut transformation. Very cute. She's got the bottleneck style bangs here. This bob has so much volume as well. Gorgeous head full of hair. So far we've seen a lot of bob haircuts, maybe like one pixie style. And here we have yet another bob. Very precise cutting here. And this bob ends just around the jawline, just below the jawline. Beautiful structured cut. Nice, simple, and classic way to rock out a bob. Trendy, short, beautiful bowl cut. So she is going to get the bowl cut 90 shape pixie for this transformation. This cut, of course, does feature the bangs. The stylist actually has a bowl cut herself there. Oh, I love her hair color. Really pretty copper, and you can see the different variations of how she can style her hair. I kind of like the way that it looked when it was like pushed back. I thought that that was really cute. But this is a style that offers up a lot of versatility if you are thinking about getting this particular cut. And here we have someone doing a DIY. So she has some pretty long waistline hair. Oh, actually it's like past waist length. I'd say like tailbone. So she uses the rubber band method here to do the cutting. This is actually a pretty efficient way if you're gonna DIY your own hair. She even manages to put in a little bit of layer. She does the bangs here. Ooh, that came out phenomenal. Very cute. She did a wonderful job. Mardi Gras hair color blocking and bob haircut. So one of the hugest trends, if you guys have not already checked out my hair color video for 2025, is going to be the return of color blocking hair. We're going to be seeing a lot of that this year. So it looks like the stylist did a super short, like pixie bob variation for the cut. It's going in with the color. And it looks like he is doing the purple mixed with some green here. Oh, and yellow too. This would be a really fun hairstyle to wear to a Mardi Gras event, just like going and getting your hair color. Beautiful angled shape here. Very short in the back, dramatic angle. Color looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that color combo here. She's got different variations of purple and green. Such a fun hairstyle overall. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at all of these gorgeous hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.